Is the
Ladies
collapse
and gentlemen,
also in
not
Europe
only the
near?
Silicon Valley Bank, not only the Silvergate banks, not only that the banks are nearly in collapse here, ladies and gentlemen, not only in the USA, now we are swapping also here in the US, my English is not the best, I'm sorry, but I tried to give you the alpha content here straight. Then that's why smash the damn like button, ladies and gentlemen. Here is a big news. The Credit Suisse here, ladies and gentlemen, is touching the all-time lows. Why? They are announcing here in the few days or in the past days that here are also any troubles coming here because many factors, ladies and gentlemen. Let's dive here directly in this here. Many tweets are coming or plopping off here that the Credit Suisse here shares falls over the record low, and the investors are taking out their funds, ladies and gentlemen. That's gone dead along that the Credit Suisse made an audit. They made an audit here, a report of the PwC is an auditor, and they took a look about the whole situations in the industry, and especially here in the Credit Suisse group, ladies and gentlemen. And what came out is really special, because one thing here they are talking about. Here is the report, but I will take it a little bit thinner, ladies and gentlemen. During, and this is here special to see, during our audit, they recognized that the Credit Suisse, the board installed a control system has been designed by management for a preparation of consideration of consolidated financial statements, ladies and gentlemen, according to the instruction of the board. However, and this is the important thing what we are talking now, ladies and gentlemen, however, yes, they installed a control system who is controlling also the financial institution, but however, they noted that management did not design and maintain an effective risk assessment process to identify and analyze the risk of material misstatements in its consolidated financial statements, ladies and gentlemen. And this is here a report that is basically talking about that they have implemented, of course, a risk management, and the board, the member of board have implemented a risk management, but not implemented an analyze system who will track, of course, also these dates what are coming from the board and from the leaders, ladies and gentlemen. This is here what they are talking about, and of course the headlines goes on and goes on. But one question is here to take and also to speak about, ladies and gentlemen. Will this affect also the European market? Here we talk about the default swaps. The default swaps in the 2008 when the Lehman Brothers goes bankruptcy, ladies and gentlemen. When the Lehman Brothers collapsed, they had here the default swaps about 610 basis points, ladies and gentlemen. Default swaps. What are default swaps? We are talking here about them. Default swaps is basically the insurance what the takers or the company have to pay against the possibility of not paying. In small words, here it is: the base points given represents the insurance premium that the policyholder has to pay in order to protect themselves against the default on the bonds of the respective company, ladies and gentlemen. This means the higher the basis points, the higher the insurance, the higher you have to pay for your insurance, and this is of course not a good sign. The higher your base, the default swaps or the credit default swaps points are, the higher you have here also to pay the premium, ladies and gentlemen. Another time I have to talk with you in face, and I will put it here on the side. You see it here. Bank of America 94 points, the BNP Paribas 60 points, Federal Republic of Germany have only 14 points, ladies and gentlemen. And then we are going here so on and so on, and then we are coming to the Credit Suisse with 571, or ladies and gentlemen, in the new, yes, this 571, and you know it already here with 610 basis points. The Lehman Brothers collapsed because the insurance and the points were the signal was flashing. That is not healthy stabilization and not healthy economics in the company, ladies and gentlemen. This is here what I are talking about. Here it's the Saudi Nation Bank talk about that they will not give more the head, the big investor of the Credit Suisse talked that he or told us basically that the Arabian will not put more money in the bank. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The CDC, the market is going here higher, and this means you see it here. We reached already the 553 points for the default swaps, and of course a bad sign, ladies and gentlemen. This is here what we are expecting in the near term, ladies and gentlemen. The Credit Suisse is not stable at all. This is here Mr. Hoss. Shout out to Hoss here, or the German community, and a big name, or not only a big name, a big brain here in the crypto space. And he is talking here about many things here. And of course that over 551 billion dollars are going out of the banks, ladies and gentlemen. And of course a big sign that we can here get, of course, here a collapse. And here is now a big thing. Ron Neuner is talking about 20 minutes before they will open here the YouTube, or they are already talking about the Credit Suisse and the important collapse what will hit maybe the European banks and the European nations. And if this happens, ladies and gentlemen, we will get here worse, and the rate hiking, so the European nations and the Madame Lagarde, I don't think they can raise the interest rates much higher, because already the banks and the whole nation is going down, ladies and gentlemen. You see here the fire. The fire and the run is amazing in this. The shows are amazing, and I will make a link down and go and look this, ladies and gentlemen. Until then, my friends, here I want to show you here in Germany. It's snowing days. Yes, of course. Until then, my friends, stay safe and don't get wrecked here, and take the analysis really serious. And of course keep going and keep tracking the channel, of course. If you're not, what the hell are you doing with your life? Smash the like button, smash the X or the plus button to don't miss out any of the further information, ladies and gentlemen. Until then, we see us, my friends. Ciao.